guys, welcome back again to my channel. This is Jovel once again, and this is Sydnie. Okay, today's video, guys, I want to show you what Sydnie is doing right now. What are you doing, baby? Back to my channel. This is Jovel once again, and this is Sydnie. Alright, today's video, guys, we're gonna show you what Sydnie's doing right now. What are you doing right now, baby?
I'm cooking egg with sardines.
Wow, okay. She's cooking sardines with egg. And what is this one?
Soup with
It's also sotanghon made by sardines with sotanghon. Made by Sydnie, of course. Alright. And, titikman ko siya, guys. So, siya yung tagaluto. Ako taga-tikim. Charot. So, yes, you can do. But you will put some little bit taste first. Remember? Pepper, salt. Okay? So, ayun, guys. Siya yung tagaluto. Si Mami ang taga-tikim. So, yun na yung mga pinagagawa namin dito. Kapag weekend. Yes! May magic sarap din kami dito, guys. Naging ano na kami ng magic sarap. Kain tayo. Pwede na. Ano to, guys? Dinner. Today is Saturday, so ganyan na yung anong ginagawa. Clock is 3:55, but see outside, it's already dim. It's already dark, so dim kasi hindi pa masyadong madilim. Pero papuntahan siya doon, pa-dark na siya. Okay? Actually, masarap siya. Hintayin ko yung isang niluluto na. Let's eat, guys. Siyempre, hindi mawawala, guys. Itong kasarola, guys, is usually we do like this every winter. Kasi kapag sinali namin yung pool, madali siyang lalamin. So, much better na nandiyan sa kasarola. So, ito sa other table. Walang keme. Inisang sardinas na maitlog. Titikman ko siya. Made by Sydnie. My daughter's Sydnie. Ang sarap. Kain tayo, guys. sabi mo? Kainin mo ito. Good. Do you like sardines? Sardines is one of our favorite guys. Na hindi nawala. Nawala. May mga nawala pa sa ating pagkain na from Philippines. Siyempre wala dahil hindi namin makain dahil wala. Itong sardinas kasi, nabibili namin sa international store. Good. Alright guys, bago kayo matakam, kami magpapaalam na muna. Para itutuloy namin ang ayong pagkain. Salamat ng marami sa inyong panonood. And, if they are not subscriber yet on our channel,
If you haven't subscribed yet to our channel,
please subscribe and
and like,
click the bell button notification so you will get notified when every time we uploaded another video. Thank you guys. Bye!